Welcome back to the next series. We just finished in our last series. If you have followed up, we just finished our introduction. We are able to talk about what is ethical hacking, key concepts of ethical hacking, and the types of hackers. So now we are going to start our practical. I think what I'll be doing is to be explaining anything I'm saying to you, and every next we're going to do here is mostly going to be more of practical. So, like I said, get your laptop close to you. We are going to start installing environment where we'll be using as ethical hacker. Now, on this, you can use Windows for hacking or as a cybersecurity or as ethical hacker. But I think Windows is not actually the best for good ethical hacker. We have a platform that we'll be using for ethical hacking, and that platform is known as Linux. So we're going to prepare that environment right away because that Linux has a many pre-installed tools. Any tools you think about for as an ethical hacker, you can get it there. I think there is no professional ethical hacker who who don't know much about Kali Linux as operating system. So right now we'll start installing, prepare the environment. Please follow us step by step. The first thing we are going to do is to download our software. It will download our software that we're going to use. The first thing we're going to download there is what I call VirtualBox. VirtualBox enable you to install different operating systems to as an operating system. So if you look at if you want to download VirtualBox, you go to virtualbox.org. I repeat, virtualbox.org. You can see it on the screen here. I have typed it here, virtualbox.org. It will show you download. You click on the download, it will link you to this place. The place we are here. Now, if you look at what we said here, it's a virtual bus station. It's a virtual bus station pack. It's a personal use and educational license. Governor your access to use of a virtual bus extension pack. Now, a virtual bus is an open source. When I mean open source, it means it's free. You are not paying for it. Actually, just go to virtualbus.org and download it. Now, if you look at where I am, I have Windows host, Mac OS, we have Linux distribution, we have a lot of it, right? Because as I said, I don't know the operating system you are using. You might likely using a Mac or other operating system, but I'm using Windows. Now, this is the Windows host, right? Please, if you are using Windows, you click on this. If you are using Mac OS, you use this, right? Now, when I click on Windows host, it will start download. You can see it start downloading here. You can see downloading, but I don't have to continue downloading it because I actually have it before and installed it. Now, after the download, actually, maybe you will now find it. I don't know the directory that your own might be download, but mine is actually download on my download. If I go down now, if I scroll down, I can see it here. Virtual boss download here. You can see mine here. I don't know whether yours is there. If you have finished downloading it, then all you need to do is just to double click on it. When you double click on it, it might pop up something like this. Just say yes, right? When you say yes, it will what? Start downloading. It won't take you time. All you need to do is just to click next, and click work and click finish. So it's as simple as that. It does not take you, you do not need engineer or hardware engineer or to install it for you. All you need to do Like I said, just click next, 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 and click finish. Now I'm going to cancel this because I've already installed it on my system, right? So I I cancel, yes, and yes. Now if you have done that, click finish. That means I have it before. Now the next thing you're going to do is to download what I call um, zip software. Zip software. Now, why are we downloading it? Because Kalelennos is going to come in form of zip file. So you need to have a zip software in your system, right? So that you can unzip the Kalelennos. So if you don't have a zip system, a zip file in your being installed in your system, please, this is one I'm using. You can see the one I'm using here. Where this one I'm using here. Please, you can download it. You can just go to wera-wera.com and you start downloading it on your Word or your Google. Now you can see we have the pay type. We said buy. Now we also have the free one. So for now, I'm using the free one. But if you want to, so all you need to do is to download this free one. You click on it. When you click on it, it takes you here and it will start downloading. So I'm going to stop it. You can see mine is downloading. I'm going to stop it because I've downloaded it already. Then when after downloading it, you go to your directory on download also. You can see you will see it on your download. You can see it. Then when you see it, all you need to do is actually double click on it. Is to double click on it. I'm trying to find it, but I think it should be on you on your download, or what the directory where it download on your system. All you need to do is just to what, double click on it, and it will open, and you begin to do what, to install it. Then after that, the next we are going to download is the Kalelennos. Kalelennos is the next thing we are going to what, download. Now you can see, you can just go to kali.org. I repeat, kali.org. You can see it here. You just click on kali.org. It will take you to this directory, to this. So now all you need to do is to click. You can see what it says, the most advanced penetration testing distribution. So that is Kali. So all you need to do is you just click on the download. Now when you click on the download, it will take you to this session. Now we have what is called image installers, installer images. Now it's a recommended. We also have virtual machine installer, also recommended. Now this is ISO, right? This is just like a CD, what I call it, ISO image. So if this one take a little bit longer to configure, it's also, you can also make use of it. But now this one is easier to use, or to install. So but this one, if you actually want to know how to install this, because you need to, on this one you have to be choosing your location, you have to be inputting your personal password, you have to do a lot of configuration when it comes to this particular installation. Unlike this particular virtual machine, unlike this one. This one is, I recommend this one for you for now. But if there is any need, or you have a client that said, I want to know how to install this, just make a comment and I will show you how to go about this particular to install this. For now, let's click on this recommended one. Now I clicked on it, so it takes me to this particular place. You can see we have VMware. VMware is just like also a virtual box. It's enable you to install different operating system, maybe a Microsoft server, different server on the window. So now, or any operating system you are using. but now we are choosing Visual Pros. Don't forget that what we installed initially, we download and install was Visual Pros. Because if peradventure maybe this is recommended in your office, it's just the same process. It's also an open source. All you need to do is to click on this, is to download this first, install it in your operating system, then you begin to download your calendar notes. It's the same process, no different. So now this is what we choose because this is what we install initially. Then all you need to do is to click on this calendar note. You click on this, automatically it will start what download. It's going to take time, going to take some time to what to download. If you look at this, about 3.3 gig. So it's going to take your time. So all you need to do right now, maybe you pause the video and then allow it to what to download in your system. But for now, I'm going to cancel this because I already have Cardinals download in my system. So please let your own download. Just be patient. It's about 3.3 gig. It will download if you have a very fast internet connection. Thank you so much. We are able to download our Carolenos. Now, the next we are going to do is to install Carolenos, is to unzip it. Now, if you go to your operating system, you can see mine here, the one that I downloaded. It's here. I don't know whether I should make it more large. Let me go to view large. Let me see. Good. I can so that you guys will see what I'm doing here. Now let me look for it. Lennox. You can see it here. So I believe you can see better now. This is zip file, right? It comes with a zip file, and this is how your own will come, except you are using different zip app. Because if you are using the one that asks you to download, you're going to see exact like this. All you need to do is to right click. Then when you right click, you said extract here. If you want to extract it on the download, right? You extract it there. But if you want to extract it in a different, maybe you want to extract it in a different directory, like Windows, your desktop, anywhere you want to extract it, you choose this one. It will tell you, okay, extract. If I click extract here now, you see it's automatically extract. I'm going to cancel it because I have it before being extracted, right? I don't want to have to extract there. Now it will extract like you see it will extract like this, right? Now we have it extract like that. Now all you need to do is to go to when you have extracted it, is to go to the folder, is to extract like this on the directory that you choose it to be extracted. Now I will double click and open. Now for the first, if you open it for the first time, you are not going to see it like this because likely it's going to be like maybe one like this, right? By the time you start running it, you realize that it will have these attributes added to it. But for now, this maybe you might likely to see this and this, right? So if you just open if you have finished downloading that you extracted it and you have opened it, click on this. Then when you click on this, it will open to this stage like this. You're open to this stage like this. And if you are on this stage, you follow me, you are on this stage, I want to say congratulations to you. You are moving forward. So the next you are going to do actually is to click on what? Start. You can see start here. Now, that's what I said about the ISO image installer. If it's the image installer, you have to be doing setting, trying to put your password, try to do a lot of things. But here, you don't really have to do that. All you need to do here, you click on start. Then when you click on start, please remember here, in some process, you might be likely to see some pop-up in this place. So let me go back there. Let me go back there. In this place here, you're going to be seeing some pop-up. It will tell you the visualization. It will tell you visualization is not enabled. Visualization is not enabled. You see something VT
visualization. That means it will be prompting you error. It cannot start. You get what I'm saying? You're popping out error. So what do? You go to BIOS, right? And enable your visualization. Without you enabling your visualization, it will not work. It will not open. So you have to enable your what? Your visualization. Then after enabling your visualization, what did you do next? It will work, right? It will open to like start to this stage, right? You can see where I am right now. If you are here, I want to say again, congratulations, you are following me. So you need to do, we have create username and password. This is not the ISO I told you that you have to configure your password, all those things. But right now you need to do is the username is Kali, right? The username is Kali and the password is Kali, right? When you type Kali, all you need to do is to click log. Boom, boom. Congratulations to you. Then if you're on this stage, you can see it will open an interface like this for you. Sorry, my terminal just opened. I have to close it. I don't want to start using terminal now. Now, my this thing, my browser has also opened. So you're going to be seeing an interface like this. Your GUI might not be like this kind of image. It might be different image, but make sure you are, or this is on the desktop. Now, on this, you can see different images. That you can see different tools. So I'm going to stop on this series of platform setup. So when we come back, I'm going to introduce to you how to begin to use the terminal, how to begin to use the tools to begin to work, carry out your project. I want to say to you, congratulations to be with us on this stage. Don't go away. On the next stage, we are going to do a lot of things. See you on the next series.